Problem number 12. The average weight of a group of 53 girls was calculated as 58 kg. It was later discovered that the weight of one of the girls was read as 65 kg, whereas her actual weight was 45 kg. What is the actual average weight of the group of 53 girls? Very similar to the previous one. In the place of 45, they have taken 65. So you have to remove 65 and you have to replace it by 45. So minus 65 plus 45, so which is equal to minus 20, which is making an impact on all the 53. So per head, how much impact it is making? Let us see. Minus 20 by 53. So if you divide, so 0 point, it will be 200. So 53, 5 fours are 20, but 3 fours are 12. It will be 212. So 5 threes are 15. 150, 3 threes are 9, 159. So the remainder is 41. So the remainder is 41, or else you divide here. So minus 20 whole divided by 53. 0 point 200. 53 threes are 159. So 41, 0. So next. 5 8s are 40, but 3 8s are 24, which is more than 410. So you take 7s are. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carry over 7 is 35, 36, 37. So 0.37 minus 0.37 you have to do. So originally the average was 58 kg. Now you have to subtract 0.37 from 58 kg. So if you subtract 3, 9 minus 3, 6, 57.63 you will get, but you have to mark it as 57.62 because further calculation also we can do. We have a scope to do the further calculation, so we will get the answer as 57.62 instead of 57.63. Therefore, the answer is D, option D. Problem number 12, option D. So very simple. How much extra is there that we are removing out of the 53 girls? So minus 20 by 53, if you simplify you will get minus 0.37. If you subtract from 58 you will get 57.63. But in the option it is given 57.62. Further we had a scope to calculate, so the answer is 57.62. Let us go for the next problem, problem number 13. Sunil and Poonam got married 10 years ago. At the time of their marriage, the average age of both persons was 25. Today, Sunil and Poonam have 5-year-old son. What is the average age of the family? So you have 4 options: 30, 22, 25, 35 and none of these. So 10 years ago, their average was 25, means Sunil, Poonam, average age was 25. Average means equal. In the introduction class itself I had told you the average means equal. So 10 years back they had an age of 25 and 25. This is 10 years back. Now plus 10 plus 10. So the present ages are 35, 35. So one more person is there in the group, that is his son having 5 years old. 5 years old. So we have to calculate the average of all the 3. So according to the options, 30 is the first option, 22 is the second option, 25 is the third option, 35 is the fourth option and the fifth is none. If 30 is the average, let us consider 30 is the average. So if the 30 is the average, then Sunil has to give 5 to his son. So Sunil is going to become 30, Poonam is also going to become 30, both are giving 5, so altogether they are giving 10 and the age of the son is 5, so 10 plus 5, 15, which is not equal to 30. So therefore the average age cannot be equal to 30. So the average age cannot be equal to 30, so 35 cannot be equal because Sunil is 35, Poonam is 35, obviously son cannot become 35, so average 35 cannot be the answer. Consider option C, 25. So if 25 is the average means If 25 is the average means, so difference between 35 and 25 is 10. So Sunil is giving 10, Sunil is giving 10, Poonam is giving 10. So 10 plus 10, 20, and the child is having 5 years, so altogether 25 years. So after giving 10, Sunil got 25, after giving 10, Poonam got 25, and after getting 20 from both the two, his child got 25. So 25, 25, 25, so all the three are having the same ages, so 25 is the average age of the family. Let us go to the next question. Problem number 14. The average age of 3 friends is 32 years. If the age of the 4th friend is added, their average comes out to be 31. What is the age of the 4th friend? Very similar to the previous one. So all the 3 friends, consider the 3 friends are A, B, C. So they are having their average age means 32, means all are having 32, 32, 32. If D is coming, so average is becoming 31, means A is losing 1, B is losing 1, C is losing 1. Altogether they are losing 3. This 3 is taken by D and he is getting 31. After getting 3 from his 3 friends, he is becoming 31. So if you subtract these 3, means that take the considered age from his 3 friends, you are going to get 28. 31 minus 3, 28. So the answer is 28. See, 32, 32, 32. 32 is the average. If one of the friend is adding their average is, the average age is going to become 31. So one is reducing from the other 3. So 32 minus 1, 32 minus 1, 32 minus 1. So from all the 3, 3 is lessing. Means this 3 is accumulated to the 4th friend, that is D. So after accumulating, he is becoming 31. So before accumulating, his age was 31 minus 3, 28. So the age of the 4th friend is 28. 28 is the answer. Next, let us go to the next problem, problem number 15. The average weight of 21 boys was recorded as 64 kg. If the weight of the teacher was added, the average increased by 1 kg. What was the teacher's weight? What was the teacher's weight? So you have two methodologies. One is going through formula and another one is sharing methodology. Let me teach you the sharing methodology. The average weight of 21 boys was recorded as 64. If teacher is including, the average weight is going to be increased by 1 kg. Means each and every person is going to get 1 kg extra. 21 boys, so 21 kgs extra. So 1 boy, 1 kg. So altogether 21 boys, 21 kgs. This 21 kgs has to be given by the teacher, its teacher only, because after teacher entering into the group, the average weight is increasing by 1 kg. So if each and every person has to get 1 kg, means the teacher has to give 1 kg. So for every boy the teacher is giving 1 kg. So for 21 boys, 21 kg the teacher has to give. After giving 21 kg, the average is going to become 65. Means the teacher is also having 65 after giving 21. So altogether 86 kgs. So the weight of the teacher is 86 kgs. So 21 kgs he is distributing. After distributing, he is getting 65 kgs. Because in the question itself they have mentioned the average is increased by 1. Means from 64 it is going to become 65. So after distributing 21 to 21 members, the teacher should have 65 kg. So 65 plus 21, the age is, the weight is 86. So 86 is the answer, option A. Let us go to the next question. Problem number 16. The average weight of 15 girls was recorded as 54 kg. If the weight of the teacher was added, the average increased by 2 kg. What was the teacher's weight? So here, after entering into the group, the average weight is increased by 2 kgs. So from 54 kg, it is increased to 56 kgs. Means each and every girl is getting 2 kgs extra. That has to be given by the teacher itself. So 15 girls, each girl getting 2 kgs. So 15 girls, 15 into 2, 30 kgs. So this 30 kgs has to be distributed by the teacher. After distributing 30 kgs, the teacher should get 56 kgs because the new average age is 56. 54 plus 2, 56. So the new weight is 56. The teacher should get 56 56 weight, and the teacher is distributing 30 kgs. So altogether the teacher is having 86 kgs. Altogether the teacher is having 86 kgs. So option D is the right answer for problem number 16. Let us go to the problem number 17. The average monthly income of 4 earning members of a family is 7,350. One member passes away and the average monthly income becomes 6,500. What was the monthly income of the person who is no more? So when the person is in the family, the average of 4 persons, that is A, B, C, D, the average was 7350, 7350. So all the 4 are having 7350. If the person passes away, means the average is reducing to 6,500. Average is reducing to 6,500. So the difference amount is 850. The difference amount is 850. Means when the person was in the group, the average was 7,350, 7,350. So when person passes away, the average of the other 3 persons is going to be reduced to 6,500. Means when the person was in the group, that person used to contribute for the other 3 members. So for each and every individual, he is giving 850 rupees. So for A, he has given 850, like that for B, he has given 850, and for C, he has given 850. So for 3 members, he has given 850. So 850 into 3. So 2,550 he has given. After giving 2,550, he is having the remaining amount 7,350. So 2,550 he is giving, and 7,350 was the remaining amount. So altogether 9,900 was his monthly income of the person who is no more. The person who is no more, he is having the monthly income of 9,900. So when he was in the group, the average was 7,350. When he passes away, the average reduces to 6,500 of the other 3. Means 850 per candidate it is reduced. Means what? When the person was in the group, the person was contributing 850 to other individuals. After contributing also, he was having 7,350. So for 3 members, he has contributed 850 each. So 850 into 3, 2,550. Along with that, he was having 7,350. Altogether, he was having 9,900. That was his monthly income. So let us go to the next problem, problem number 18. Problem number 18. The average age of 40 students is 15 years. The average age is increased by 0.2 years when 10 new students are included. Find out the average of 10 of the new students, means 10 new students. So when 10 new students has come into the group, the average age is going to become 15.2 because 0.2 is going to be increased. 15.2 means the 10 students 15.2 and other 40 students also 0.2 per candidate. So totally 40 into 0.2, which is equal to 8. So 8 is increased totally when we consider the 40 students. So altogether 8 is increased for 40 students. This 8 has to be given by the 10 students itself. This 8 has to be given by the 10 student itself. So per student, how much they have contributed? That is 8 by 10, 0.8 they have contributed. So 15.2 plus 0.8, so 16 is the average of the new students. So 16 is the average of the new students. So when the 10 new members are included in the group, 0.2 is increased. So 15 plus 0.2, 15.2. Next, for the 10 new students, yes, 15.2, and for other 40 students, 40 into 0.2, 8. So they have taken 8 from the 10 students. So per student, how much he has given? So 8 by 10, 0.8, altogether 15.2 plus 0.8, 16. So 16 years is the average of the new students. So option B for 18th problem. Let us go to the 19th problem.